Welcome to our city and welcome to the vlog. We are headed over to Market Square. We're going to try out a new place. What is this new place?
It is called
good name.
It's 19 something or other than Asian Kitchen. I don't remember the correct vernacular on it. It's a brand new place.
We got a concert going on here.
So much for that parking lot.
Yeah, we may not be able to find a parking place. Man, look, Coast Burritos is like, oh, it says it's full.
People leaving.
Yeah, get out so we can go in. Alright, we're gonna go try to find a parking place. Wish us luck. Alright, we found a parking place. And now we are walking up Wind Tunnel Alley, as we like to call it. We got caught in a really bad microburst when we were sitting on this patio right here where these people were sitting. So, it's Wind Tunnel Alley to us. Let's go and check out some music and walk down to the restaurant. Alright, here we are, 19-2, or 19 squared. Bar and Asian Kitchen. Alright.
These are specials on chocolate.
Yum, we're gonna go ahead and eat. We'll catch up with you when we get a seat. Alright, we're sitting outside. That's loud. Here's the menu. Alright, first course is here. I got miso soup. He's got wonton soup. How's it taste?
It's really good. I haven't had my wonton yet.
As we listening to Elton John here behind us.
Yeah. Whoever's performing tonight, it's the second Elton John song in a row. So we're locked in.
Hold me close, I'm tired of dancing.
That's right. Hold me close. I'm tired of dancing. Best rock band. Like, hold me close. I'm tired of dancing.
Alright, our crab ragoon also just came. Yum. This crab ragoon is very good. What says you, Jeremy?
Yeah, this is the best crab ragoon.
5 people.
It's really outstanding.
Here's our view.
Take it while you need. You all might be in my Facebook picture, to be honest with you.
Yum yum, here we go. The hibachi looks good.
Gino Cho's chicken.
Alright, we're gonna eat and we'll let you know what it's like.
You see they got the beer bottles and stuff on it? It changes colors.
Can y'all see it in there? Red Sox are playing in there. Got to give us an update on the Red Sox.
4-3 Sox.
How was your food?
The food was awesome. But the General Cho's was a little sweeter than I like, but since we had the hot chili oil, I was able to use that to put it to my spice level. So it was excellent. They gave you a whole lot too, and I'm stuffed.
Yeah, it was really good. I still like Campai's hibachi better, but it was still really good, and I enjoyed the atmosphere. I did enjoy the food, and I am too, just stuffed to the gills. Now we're just waiting on the bill. What was your fortune, my love?
Silence is a great teacher. To listen, you gotta pay attention. I was close.
Mine was after rain, there's always sunshine. Concert is over and everybody is gone. Everybody's at restaurants.
And we just took it out.
Uncorked. Over there is full.
And Ram. Hanley Ramirez just hit home run for the Sox. Now they're gone to commercial.
Go Sox.
You're wearing a do-rag just like Hanley Ramirez.
Yep. That's my nickname.
Trey Ram.
Trey Ram. Don't ever call me Trey Ram. Oh yes, and now it's time for us to make our way across the square. Did you have a good date night?
I did. It was too bad it wasn't longer.
Yeah.
Start at 8 o'clock and we gotta get to bed.
Yeah.
We're old and we work.
We gotta work tomorrow, but it's nice to get out when you can. And we got to put the top down, and it is a beautiful, cool evening. I don't know what it is about summer this year, but it's been so cool. No humidity. It's been so awesome. I wish it would stay like this forever. So, got a nice breeze going. We're heading to the car, and I guess we'll end the vlog here. Thanks for spending our date night with us. Please hit that subscribe button if you'd like to be in on our adventures. And until next time,
Make your everyday life extraordinary.
yeah, that's close enough. All right, bye.
Follow me on YouTube, follow me on Twitter, follow me on Facebook, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Pinterest, follow me on Twitch, follow me on MySpace. What the hell is MySpace? Follow me on Musical.ly, follow me on Reddit, follow me on the sidewalk, follow me on the road, follow me on WhatsApp, follow me on Daily Motion. Follow.